Gang, gang.
Yeah, what's up, homie?
Everything good.
Side handshake. Where's Devin?
Fucking he out here somewhere in these streets, bro.
3 hours later.
Oh my god, this guy, he's just a sleepy guy. He fell asleep on the floor. Yeah. Sam. Hey. It's for what? What? We're cleaning up, baby. We was launching the trash bag over the fucking dumpster. Look at the dumpster on this. We was launching that because that shit exploded. What? Oh, damn. Oh yeah, that shit did explode right there. Hey, look at the waves. All right, guys, if you haven't already seen, we're in a cruise week. Hey, yo, someone lost their flip-flops. About to go head out to this LS meet. We're gonna get some sick rollers. And as you guys already know, I broke my CGSV. Nah, but I tried to do a burnout. You right here. I actually did one good one the first day. I didn't get that on film. Second burnout wasn't really that good. We got too much wheel hop, and then I broke an axle, guys. So Jimmy's gonna be here tonight. He's gonna help me out, pick up the car, and then we're gonna get it back and do more breaking car things. Say, yeah. All right. So we're getting ready to head out, get some roll. Ready to get some rolling shots with the squad. So let's not vlog, let's go do some gang stuff.
Some gang shit, man.
Yeah.
All these nice cars out here, and we got this mofo coming up hot.
Dookie Hauser, bro. Dukes and Hauser.
Okay. Gotta put the camera on. Hey bro, where'd you get this thing?
Look at that, look at that, look at that. Oh, you got a dildo too, man. That camera. Oh my god.
There ain't no gang shit around here. It's all that gang.
Hey, come here, come here.
Got him.
Oh, Michael Jordan. Why did he run his exhaust pipes out the side?
It's so that he can achieve maximum aerodynamic lift when he's taking off. Bubbles fly out here too.
That's wise words from Abraham. Dang, who's this fresh ass dude in the... Okay.
This is a homage beat.
Okay.
I was running 6 with my Wawa. You know how that shit go. You know how that shit go.
Why they like me so? Bitch, you talk too much. I move in the snow. Tell me what's the rush? You don't know me well. I belong in hell. All the shit I did, I'm a trouble kid. You can't break my code. 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 Yeah, you can't break my code. You can't break my code. You can't break my code. You can't break my code.
Old bitches getting knocked out, niggas catching clips like movies. Old bitch tryna pop off, little bitch, you can't fool me. Red rags look like hot sauce, baby, you should wanna come to me. Main bitch in my iPhone, cause these little thoughts in the nudies. Got them teens getting boxed up like a motherfucking pair of Subies. Give me head, bitch, duck, duck, she got purple hair like Uzi. Smuggle shit, tryna double shit, put the boot bags in the coochie. Sorry, fuck, I ain't fall in love, baby, don't start no rumors.
Like me so, bitch, you talk too much. I move in the snow. Tell me
send it. So, our boy D just got pulled over. Here he is right now. We were just chilling here waiting in this little side street cut. All the cars are here. Looks pretty sick. We got another person tagging. Ooh. We got another person tagging along here. With us, it's a Hellcat. Let's go see what the hell happened. It was a state trooper on a bike. Slumperoni and cheese over here. We're getting ready to go to the LS meet.
It's 30 minutes away.
We're gonna go to the LS meet and go check all that stuff out, and hopefully no more tickets for us because Ocean's Italy are freaking buttholes, alright? Alright guys, so we made it to the LS meet. We got hella more Mopars than LS's though. You know what I'm saying? We got the little Hemi, at Victoria the Hemi, you know what I'm saying, Vicky. We got all the GTOs, Hellcat, and
0 to 100 real quick.
0 to 100 real quick. So we got the little stock, you know what I'm saying? This is just an alternator with a new green pulley, you know what I'm saying? You got the little apple juice on the side too. But let's go check out some cars.
Victoria and Hemi taking over for a little bit for A-Man. 2K18, bro. That's all I gotta say.
Oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I